The next recipe we are going to do is the avocado shake. For the avocado shake, you'll need a ripe avocado, chopped, little bit of cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, some brown sugar and milk. So we start by adding the avocados. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. You can substitute this with a little bit of honey as well. Some cardamom powder and a hint of cinnamon. Be adding some milk after this. We're going to blend it together. And your avocado shake is ready to be served. And we're good to go. Enjoy!